हेलो फरीदाबाद, मैं एकता रमन हूँ और आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ एनसीआर। मैं आज शहर के एक बहुत ही जाने माने हॉस्पिटल में हूँ, मेट्रो हॉस्पिटल में, एंड फॉर गुड रीजंस। सो व्हाई एम आई हियर? आई एम हियर टू मीट अ पर्सन who has grown old with this organization, with the brand of Metro Hospital, and for last 17 years he has been here serving the society and serving the people. So from being a cardiologist to a senior cardiologist and now a medical director, मुझे ऐसा लगता है और मेरा मानना है कि सीनियर कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट होना एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल प्रोफेशन है, लेकिन जब आप किसी ब्रांड, किसी इंस्टीट्यूट के मेडिकल डायरेक्टर या उसके हेड बनते हैं, सो दैट इज़ अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पोजीशन जिसमें ना सिर्फ उनकी एक्सपर्टीज़ बल्कि और कई सारी चीज़ें हैं जो टेस्टिंग होंगी. These have been any which ways a very testing time for all the hospitals and Metro, of course, with the change of management and so many things that have been doing rounds in the society. So उन सभी सवालों का जवाब हमें आज डॉक्टर नीरज जैन से मिलेगा और मैं उनसे आपकी तरफ से वो सवाल करूंगी जिनसे आपके डाउट्स क्लियर हो. सो आई वेलकम डॉक्टर नीरज जैन, द मेडिकल डायरेक्टर एंड अ सीनियर कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट एट द मेट्रो हॉस्पिटल. Welcome to you, Doctor.
Thank you, Ekta. Thank you very much for inviting me on this occasion.
Doctor, my first question to you would be that being a medical director of a big brand like Metro, जिसके साथ लोगों की बहुत सारी आशाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं, expectations हैं, what is it to be in such a responsible position?
First of all, Ekta, basically I am a clinician. My inclination is always towards the care of the patient. But since this responsibility is given to me by Dr. Purushottam Lal, so I am handling this position for last 3 months, and I am grateful to all the patients, all the media persons of the Faridabad that we have done well in last 3 months. Our hospital was suffering from a lot of reasons like in fights and COVID and many things, maybe movements of people. So I'm very happy that we have done great in last 3 months. We are able to manage inpatients, we are able to manage doctors in our hospital. So this is the great thing we have done in last 3 months.
जहाँ तक डॉक्टर्स के एक्सपर्टीज़ की बात है तो वहाँ तो सवाल उठता ही नहीं है मेट्रो में, लेकिन जब मैनेजमेंट चेंजेस होते हैं तो ब्रांडिंग और इमेज जो है वो बहुत अफेक्ट हो जाती है. So I have noticed that Metro has been taking some wonderful initiatives to become a part of the society. आपने recently Women Wellness Card launch किया है, and just yesterday there's an announcement that Metro is also collaborating with the Haryana Police, and आप सभी पुलिस कर्मियों की स्वास्थ्य जांच करेंगे. ये दो इनिशिएटिव्स आपके दिमाग में कैसे आए?
Lot of initiative apart from these two very good initiative, lot of other initiative we have taken in last 3 months, but the most important challenge for me to hold the doctors, hold the staff who are associated with us for so many years. So the biggest challenge for me was to hold these good doctors, good technicians, good nursing staff to this hospital. Next things I want to like is that we should improve our brand value, and then other initiative we want to take like women wellness cards we have launched. We have given camps to policemen also. So this is two important things we have done. Other things we have done, then we are associating in all the RWA of this Faridabad, like RWA of 21 sector, 15 sector, 16 sector, 17 regular health checkups we are doing. In the morning hours, all the camps we are doing in the park also.
Wonderful.
So I'll send you the pictures also. So these good initiative we have taken, and we are getting a very good response from the public.
That's wonderful. वो तो expected है डॉक्टर जैन, क्योंकि मेट्रो, as I said, is a part of Faridabad.
Yes.
For so many years. एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ और मेरे मन में आ रही है आपसे बात करते हुए, दैट पोस्ट कोविड, and this is where your role as a cardiologist comes in. So post-COVID, there have been a lot of cases who have had some other, repercussions कोरोना से अफेक्ट होने के बाद. अगर आप उस पे, if you could throw some light on that, कि किस तरह के challenges ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं and metro इसके लिए कितना तैयार है?
Now, if the challenges are over, actual challenges we have faced during COVID times. Two types of challenges we have faced during COVID times. One important thing, that patients were not coming to the hospital. Despite they were very sick, despite they are having acute MI, heart failure, they were not coming to this hospital. They were having fear that if we go to the hospital, they'll have some problem. So for that, we have continued our OPD even during COVID time. Second important thing I have done, that I have not delayed the treatment of heart attack or heart failure patients even during COVID times. So I have seen that a lot of hospital, what they are doing, they are taking patients once they are COVID negative. So that reports were coming in 24 hours. So that part I have neglected. With the thanks God that we have not suffered COVID yet. But we have done angioplasty during COVID hours. We have done angioplasty on patients of COVID also. बिकॉज मेरा मानना ऐसा है कि अगर मैं उसको छोड़ दूंगा तो वो कोविड से शायद नहीं मरे, लेकिन हार्ट अटैक से उसको काफ़ी नुकसान हो सकता है. तो इवन पेशेंट इज कोविड पॉजिटिव, आई हैव डन मैनी कोविड पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स एंजियोप्लास्टी ऑल्सो. बाय कवरिंग हिज फेस, बाय टेकिंग स्पेशल प्रिकॉशन, वी कुड डू दैट. सो वी हैव टू मेक कॉन्फिडेंट कि वी विल डू इट. जो हमारे स्टाफ है उसको हमें कॉन्फिडेंस में लेना होगा कि नथिंग विल हैपन टू यू. Just take a proper precaution, just take a mask, and then nothing has happened. So this is one thing we have faced during COVID hours. Now the COVID is almost in a decline phase. So my challenge is to bring more patients to the hospital, make them confident that they will not have any problem now, and that is the main concern of.
That's a brilliant thought, डॉक्टर. जो आपने कहा कि लोग हॉस्पिटल आने से डरते हैं, तो आप अब उनमें ये ट्रस्ट बनाना चाहते हैं कि वो हॉस्पिटल आएँ और ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्हें फंसा लिया जाएगा, पर ट्रीटमेंट होगा. विच ब्रिंग्स मी टू माई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आपने जो वेलनेस कार्ड्स और ये स्वास्थ्य जांच शिविर जो आप कर रहे हैं, ये बेसिकली प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स हैं. इंडिया में प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स को कभी भी उतनी तवज्जो नहीं दी गई जितनी कि बीमारी होने पे ट्रीटमेंट को दी गई है. How do you think can a doctor or a hospital or we as media can educate and help people to understand कि preventive measures ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं?
Definitely ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं, and to educate populations, role of media person, role of doctors, role of society persons are very, very important. You know, not all patients who are having chest pain are suffering from heart attack or cardiac problem. Second thing, not all heart patients needs angioplasty, bypass surgery or any extensive treatment. So we have to educate people that nothing like it कि if you go to a hospital like Metro or any other big hospital, you'll underwent angioplasty or angiography. So we have to keep people educated that there are certain things which we can prevent also. So, you know, diabetes is so much prevalent in our society, hypertension is so much prevalent in our society, cholesterol levels are also high, stress level are also high in young patients. So preventive measure, if you see, is a play very very important role in our treatment line also. Once patient is suffering from a heart attack or underwent angioplasty, that patients also need some preventive measures to prevent a second problems. So once we start this thing, we educate the family member also. You know, one patient comes to me with a cholesterol level of 220, LDL cholesterol, which is very high in medical language. So then I checked all the family members in his. So and all family members were having very high cholesterol. So now this preventive role of mine is comes under surveillance. So then I have educated all the family members, then start jogging, start taking healthy foods, keep on checking your cholesterol. Although that patient underwent angioplasty, but I am happy that I can prevent 2-3 more angioplasty in his family. So this is my thought, my concern, that prevention is very very important. and if you go for prevention, you can definitely prevent serious things to happen.
I was here at the launch of the women wellness card, और उसमें भी आपके गायनोकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट ने बहुत अच्छे से एजुकेट किया इस बात पर कि अगर वुमेन अपनी ये मेडिकल चैलेंजेस को इग्नोर ना करें और प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स लें, so they can fight very very serious diseases like this cervical cancer, excessive bleeding, weaknesses and all. So what is your take on that, and how do you intend to educate the females or the women class of, let's start with Faridabad?
Females are suffering from breast cancer, cervical cancers, which are preventable, which can be detected early, which can be treated successfully. So this thing always remain in my mind. So my family members are also having some breast cancer history, so I'm very much aware of this thing, that if you go for a periodical checkup, then you can early detect these cancer, timely treat this deadly disease. So this is in my mind. So I educate all the females who are having family history, who are obese, who are having some problems, borderline problems. So always go for a preventive checkup, timely detect their disease. And one thing I also want to tell, that even in females, even in young female, coronary artery disease, heart disease is also prevalent. I've seen many young females who are initially I was in the impression that young females do not have heart problems.
Yes, we thought
but
so.
Everybody thought so. But one beautiful girl who was working in a parlor came to me at the age of 24. She had a heart attack. That was my eye opener, that no, I should not, even a young female coming to me with a history of chest pain, I should not take it very lightly. So I also educate young females, also middle-aged female also, to be healthy, go for a regular walk, control their blood pressure, diabetes, because stress level is also high in these females. So even females needs a lot of attention, a lot of preventive checkup, which is probably neglected in our society.
This brings me to my final question, Dr. Jain. So women we've already covered. You're taking care of the Metro is taking care of the police force as well, the frontliners, and अब तो vaccination भी start हो गया है. Do you think, I would like your comment on this, do you think educating the youth, which is almost 60% plus of India's population, and they are quite aware now, वो हमारे पेरेंट्स की तरह उस सोच के नहीं है कि जब बीमार पड़ेंगे तो गोली खा लेंगे. So I think they are more aware, so they can help in educating each other and the people around them. Your comment on that, and how will Metro rope in, या आप कुछ ऐसे seminars colleges और institutes या schools में plan कर रहे हैं? Your comment on that.
See, treating youth is very important now in my mind, because I have seen a lot of change in the disease process, especially since I am a cardiologist. I've seen a lot of change in disease process in last 14-15 years. Initially, when I completed my study and I was starting my practice, that time only aged people came to us for angiography, angioplasty. In last 6, 7 or 8 years, I have seen almost 80% angioplasty we are doing on a person who is 40 to 55 years of age. So that's a bad news also, and that reminds me that I should educate a young person also, because these population is very important. They are the main earning member of the family, of the society. Lot of responsibility they are having, lot of stress they are having. If I educate them, he will pass on this educations to his family also. So this is very important to educate a young person also. They are stressed, they do a lot of smoking, they are diabetic also. So a lot of disease process is growing inside their heart. Second question, I pardon.
Do you think colleges or institutes तक अगर Metro पहुंच सके?
Yes, we are doing since long also a lot of education activity, preventive talks, preventive health checkups also we are doing in almost all colleges of this Faridabad and around. So this is a regular activity we are doing.
So they are being made aware.
They will be made aware, and media person's role is very important to educate them that they obviously they should take care of their health, because my colleague had heart attack at the age of 42, and I have to do angioplasty 15 days back. Very painful to me. He was absolutely fine, working, having dinner with me, and then I have to do angioplasty on him. So very sad situation.
Yes, it's very sad. Thank you so much, Dr. Jain, for sharing such brilliant thoughts with us. And I really hope that this goes a long way. मेट्रो आप मेट्रो के ब्रांड को और आगे लेके जाएं. एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड इंटेंसिव केयर एज वेल. थैंक यू फॉर योर वाइज वर्ड्स. We just heard Dr. Neeraj Jain talk about the importance of prevention. हम बोलते हैं ना, prevention is better than cure. तो अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि आप प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स नहीं लेंगे और एक ही बार जब बीमार होंगे तो इलाज कराएंगे, तो ऐसा मत कीजिए. Dr. Jain has personally been taking keen interest on this. Please do get your preventive checkups done. Metro is taking wonderful initiatives for the women, the youth and the frontliners of the society. We wish Metro Hospital a lot of good luck in spreading the right word and the right message in the society. Keep watching News NCR till then. Thank you.